Alright guys, today we're going to install this 3.5 IHC kit with helper bags on this 2024 GMC single cab with their newly designed 2-inch control arms with their poly bushings. Follow along. Alright guys, we have our shop truck finally about to hit the ground. We've had this thing for a little over maybe what, a month or 2 months, maybe something like that, and we got tired of driving around stock. Also, we have Convoy Showdown coming up. It's supposed to be this weekend. Due to inclement weather, it may be postponed to the following week, but nevertheless, we had to make sure the single cab is ready just in case we are going out there this weekend. So we went ahead and did a 3.5 IHC drop, guys. IHC is the way to go. I've been running IHC on my personal truck for over 10 years. And I've had zero issues out of it. All you got to do is your regular maintenance. Upper lower control arms is the best way to go when you're lowering your vehicle to ensure that you have the best alignment with no issues. So that's exactly what we did on our truck. We did a 3.5 IHC kit. Remember, they have an upgraded 2-inch lower control arm with polyurethane bushings. Grease them things up and it rides great. So of course 3.5 again. We did the helper back kit in the rear to avoid having to do the notch on it. We got that done on it as well. So rear helper backs, 5-inch lowering in the back, 3-inch in the front with upper lower control arms. And then another thing we did with it as well, we've been having these wheels for this truck for a little while. We hadn't got around to mounting them. So we went with the Escos, 24x9 in the front, 24x11 Escos in the rear. And then of course, our guy Tyler took care of us at Gateway. Went ahead and got the Venom Ragnarok GTS tires. 295 35 24 in the front, 305 35 24 in the rear. Setup looks great. We're about to get it finished up onto the alignment rack, make sure everything's nice and smooth. And again, guys, if you guys want to check the truck out, come out this Saturday, potentially next Saturday, depending how the weather treats us. But come check out our tent. Look for the Cowboys Customs tent at Convoy Showdown and come take a look at the single cab, guys. Guys, again, when lowering your truck, make sure you're buying the right components, make sure you're going to the right people to get the stuff done right the first time. Check a look at this screen, guys. This is our 2024 single cab with the IHC 3.5 with the perfect alignment. When I mean perfect, it is perfect. It's dead on centered everywhere that it needs to be. That's the most important thing when you're lowering your truck. It's not the look of it, but the functionality and how you're going around driving down the road. Stop driving your truck with cambered wheels. Stop driving your truck with worn out tires because you can't get a right alignment because you got the wrong parts. IHC, guys, 2-inch thick lower control arms, 2-inch polyurethane bushings in there, greasable. Everything is just perfect with this kit. We did the 5-inch drop in the back with the helper bags. Helper bags work perfect. You don't have to notch it on these trucks. If you don't want to notch it, don't want to cut the frame, void your warranty. Guys, I can't stress it enough. I've been riding IHC for almost 10 years on my personal truck. So if I don't trust the product myself, why would I sell it to you? Come to Cowboys Customs, IHC, guys. Best way to go. Guys, the shop truck is finally complete. We got our 2024 single cab short bed. We got the 3.5 drop installed. We also got the 24-inch Esco wheels installed on it as well. Truck feels great, man. So we initially did this to get ready for Convoy Showdown, which was supposed to be this weekend. Unfortunately, due to the bad weather, it has been postponed. But nevertheless, the truck is ready. We will be at Convoy Showdown March 28th, the new date for Convoy Showdown. So guys, come out. Come check out the single cab. Look for the Cowboys custom tent. We will be having under bed notches, shock relocations, monster notches. We'll have all that on deck. You guys can buy them, check them out, schedule appointments, whatever it is you guys want to do, man. Come say what's up to your boys from Cowboys Customs, and let's get something going, guys. We expect to see all you guys there March 28th at Convoy Showdown.